Welcome. In front of me is DELL Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to charge your device properly. To charge your device you have to use the charging cable and the AC adapter, and if you are using an original AC adapter then you have to plug it in to the barrel type port on the left edge of your computer right here. Currently I'm using a substitute and I'm using this USB Type-C port to charge my computer. You can use both of these methods. Now I recommend using an original DELL charging AC adapter if you have one, and the original DELL charging cable. But if you don't have one, then at least make sure that your charging AC adapter provides at least 60 watts to your laptop for it to charge properly. Here is the AC adapter substitute that I'm using, and if you take a closer look right here, let me focus the camera, you will find that it provides 61 watts of power, which is enough to power your device properly. Also, try avoiding cheap AC adapters replacements, because AC adapters from unreputable sources can easily break your laptop or your laptop's battery. And that's basically it. That's all the information I wanted to share with you in this video, so thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.